Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you a way on how to transfer or copy your contacts, images, and videos from your old mobile to your new mobile phone. First, you have to download an app called Copy My Data. Just search it on the App Store if you're using iOS phones and in Google Play for the Android phones. Click on your App Store and type in Copy My Data and find this logo. Once you have downloaded it, click on Open to both phones. Make sure that it is downloaded to both phones and open it together. Then click on Next. Once you click on Next, you have two options. First, to or from another device over Wi-Fi, or backup or restore from Google Drive. So I'll be choosing the first one through over Wi-Fi, and it will prompt here the new device that you are going to use to transfer. So I'm going to click on the iPhone. I'm going to copy data to selected device, and I'm going to prompt that pin that is going to show in my screen. I will going to type that into my new phone, 7097, and click on next. You have four buttons here where you have to transfer or the information that you wanted to transfer. So we have calendar, contacts, camera photos, and camera video. So when you select or you have selected these information, the buttons will turn into green. And if you deselect, it will turn into white. So I'm going to select contacts, camera photos, and videos. After which, I'm going to click on next. Once you click on next, it will transfer automatically via Wi-Fi. Wait for the prompt to finish, and then you are done. I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.
Hit like and subscribe.